How to leave the UK and escape inheritance tax. Leaving the UK to avoid inheritance tax involve careful planning and consideration of several factors. Number 1. Change your domicile status. In the UK, inheritance tax is based on domicile status rather than residence. To escape inheritance tax, you must cut ties with the UK and establish domicile in another country. This involves cutting UK ties such as selling UK property, closing UK bank account, and not return frequently. Number 2, establish non-UK residence. Moving abroad and becoming resident of another country with a more favorable tax regime can help. Some countries like Portugal, Malta, Cyprus have more lenient inheritance tax law or no inheritance tax at all. Ensure the new country accept your residency and domicile status. Number 3, time frame. Number 4, seek professional advice. Consult with a tax advisor and legal and professionals specializing in international tax planning. They can help you navigate the complexities and ensure your estate planning along with your goals and minimizing inheritance tax. Number 5, other consideration. Establish trust, make gift or restructure asset to further reduce potential inheritance tax liability. We have uploaded more than 900 videos related to UK startup, tax and businesses.